Guys, welcome back once again. In this video we're going to discuss how to solve Ruby KYC verification step 3, which is receive invitation from KYC 1.5. okay, so I posted a video yesterday and I observed that majority are having this particular problem. If we go to the comment section of the video I posted, this particular person says, I have not received any invitation from KYC 1.5 and my app is up to date. This person say, as a condition for KYC invitation, how can I get verified Ruby of 1.5? This person say, I presently have about 30 Ruby but no KYC. Why? Also, we scroll down a little bit, you can see that majority are having this problem, which is the problem of receiving invitation from KYC 1.5. Here we're going to discuss everything in detail, and by the end of the video I believe you'll be able to solve the problem. Okay, let's first of all come back to the problem. Okay guys, as you can see right here, before we move on, what is even receiving invitation from KYC 1.5? I've watched several videos about this and people have different opinions, but what this really means is that after you have completed the first step, which is step 1, complete ownership information over 30 days, and you have completed the second step, which is exploit at least 30 Ruby, then the final one, which is receive invitation from KYC 1.5, will be automatically given to you, that is inviting you so that you can come and complete the KYC. But this is based on the qualification for the tool. Okay, that is when Ruby KYC team have checked and truly confirmed that you have correctly passed the number 1 and number 2, then they will now invite you to come and complete the number 3. However, there are ways of making this proper and get invited by KYC 1.5 very fast, and that is what we are going to discuss in this video, guys. So guys, while you are trying to complete your KYC verification, if you got the step number 1 and step 2 wrongly, there's no way you get the number 3. It will keep on showing this faded mark until you do what is right. And what is right? Okay, let us start from this, which is complete ownership information over 30 days. As you can see right here, this is my fresh Ruby account, and in this place I'm going to use it for demonstration. When talking about completing owner information over 30 days, they are talking about number 1, complete my information. Okay, and when we come to my information here, number 1, you make sure you enter your first name, you enter your correct last name, your gender, your date of birth, the correct email address, your phone number, and the country. Okay, and at the end of everything, if you made any mistake, you should go to edit here and complete it so that it can be accurate with what you are going to provide on your ID card. Okay, and this should be done over 30 days before Ruby will invite you for KYC. Okay, so the next thing is this: you should be very active on the airdrop. It is another criteria we are talking about. You should log in, mine the airdrop on daily basis so that it can confirm that you are active on the airdrop. Okay, that is step number 2. When you have completed these 2 steps, step 3 is this: you should make sure you are legal in your activity, that is, there is no duplication of accounts or logging in on multiple devices with one account. Okay, so that is what they are talking about. And the next thing is this, which is exploit at least 30 Ruby. As you can see right here, it is talking about nothing but to mine at least 30 rubies in the past 30 days. You understand? So if we come to this place, which is mining here, as you can see, I still have about 1.4. In this place of balance, you should have at least 30 rupees before you'll be able to apply for KYC verification. So when all these things have been set up, you are active, you have completed the my information, and at the same time you have mined 30 rupees, what you will do is to patiently wait. You come to verification, you patiently wait until they invite you to come and complete your verification. They can invite you through app here, just like the way you finish completing the mining and they give you notification to come and start another mining, or they can send it to the email you use for this. However, if it is delaying, that is, if there's nothing done about it over a long time and you have completed all the requirements, all you need to do is to send them a message. Okay, if we are here to contact them, is very simple. What you are going to do is this: you click on the three lines at the bottom of the screen, then it is going to take you to this place. Then if you look at down there, you will see Ruby Team. You click on that and it is going to redirect you to Ruby Team platform. The next thing you're going to do is to click on three lines at the top left corner of the screen. As you can see, those are the three lines there. Then you are going to see this particular option, which is contact. So you are going to click on contact there and it's going to take you to this place. Okay, so you enter your address and everything. You enter your email here, you enter the full name, you enter the title, which is the step. In place of title, what you are going to type is receiving invitation from KYC 1.5 problem. You can write them like this, and in place of contact there, you can simply paste this, which is this means you must be wait to selected over 30 days on this. So we are going to paste the problem you are having, and at the end of everything, click on send. So they are going to go through your message and complete it for you. So guys, that is it, and this is what I have for you at the moment. If you find this video interesting, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.